Hey guys, welcome to your fourth lesson on text features of nonfiction. And so Miss Centel got to describe facts about her toy yesterday. And my object is an excavator. We're very into construction in the Marsh household. We love to dig in the dirt and the rocks. Okay, so again, this is called an excavator. And I don't know if you've ever heard the song by Blippi, the Blippi excavator song. It goes, excavator. And then I don't know the rest, but I have that one part stuck in my head all the time because of Blippi. Ask your parents if you can look up Blippi excavator song on YouTube. My kids love it. Anyways, okay, so let's get back to business. Okay, so we are going to do something important with our list that you made yesterday. So remember, your list is going to be different than mine unless you did an excavator, but I'm thinking maybe not, but maybe you did. So I did an excavator and I wrote my list of facts. Yellow and black, has a bucket, digs in the dirt, a man or a woman operates it, and then I said that it has belts for wheels. And so what we're going to do today is you are going to take your list, go to a new sheet of paper, okay? And now we're going to start an ongoing nonfiction picture. So you want to save this picture for the next several lessons, so don't lose it, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is in nonfiction, usually it's a photograph and not a drawn picture, but I don't have a photograph of an excavator, and I'm not going to go take a picture, send it to Walgreens, and then go to Walgreens to get it because that's not safe right now. And so, just because I don't want to get sick. And so I say that we just draw a picture. So you're going to first draw a picture of your item on the page so that you can label it, okay? So remember, anything in nonfiction always needs a title. And so I'm just going to call this The Excavator, okay? So the titles, if you remember, it is capitalized. The Excavator. Okay, so there's my title. And now I am going to draw the picture. Do not judge my picture. Yes, I'm talking to you. Okay, so, oh boy. I wish I could just glue it right there, but I guess I can't. So I'm just going to do my best. Okay. Okay. One part down, 8 more parts to go. How's it looking so far? Not too bad, is it? Good enough. Okay, I'm pretty proud of myself. That doesn't look too bad. I think Nico would be proud of me. So, okay, so you've drawn your picture or your photograph. And now that we have the title, right, very important, we are going to label it, which I'm realizing I might not know all the parts of the excavator. So this is where you can ask a friend, you can ask your parents, or you can help your parents can help you safely look up if you have something difficult like mine. Let's see. I'm just going to use Google because I'm an adult. And you can use Google just as long as your mom and dad allow it. Okay? Oh boy. No, I was right. This thing's called a bucket. So I'm actually going to use red for the labeling just to make it pop. Okay? So that is indeed called a bucket. I was right. There's a ton of things, but I'm not going to do everything. Ooh, so who knew? This thing is the engine. That's what makes it go. That's pretty cool. So that's the engine. And then there was another part on there that's called the cabin, which actually I knew that. So the cabin is where the operator, whoever's working the machine, sits. Okay. And then oh, this long thing right here, arm. And interestingly, the arm actually has a ton of different um, names and parts to it, but I'm not going to write all of them because that's too hard. Okay. And then the last thing I will label is, well, actually, they don't even, let me see if there's this picture that has it labeled. Interesting. It doesn't even have the wheels labeled. There's like a ton of different parts, so I'm just going to leave it alone. But anyway, so that's something that you're going to do to your toy that you have. You're going to label the different parts after you draw it, okay? And so here, the important thing about your nonfiction item you've chosen is title, excavator, picture, photograph of your toy, and then labels so that people know exactly what it is. Okay? All right. Good job, guys. Excavator.